Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make a mango. First take a juicer jar, then add 1 cup of mango chopped, 1 cup of watermelon chopped, 1/2 cup of pineapple chopped. Now add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar and then add half cup of water. Blend it until you make a smooth puree. The puree is ready now. Now pour it in a Kulfi mold. We used a Kulfi mold. You can choose any mold you want. This mango ice cream we made is made of zero sugar and we only used brown sugar. And now we're gonna put the caps and also we're gonna add some popsicle sticks. And after that put it in a freezer for an overnight. After an overnight, demold it and it is ready to serve. Now our healthy mango ice cream with zero sugar is ready. It is very tasty and delicious. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.